Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to register LLC on Sunbiz full tutorial. So let's get started. So first of all, what you want to do is to go into sunbiz.org. And then once you do, you will be prompted here in this website. And the first thing that I want you to do is to check the current processing date. So you want to click here, and then you would be able to see the processing dates, and you would be able to compare today's date with the processing dates of recent submissions. This would help you gauge the current processing times. And then the next thing is, before you file, you need to make sure first that your company name is not the same as anyone. So make sure it's unique. So to do that, you want to click here on search records right here. And from here, you can go for name, and then you can basically just search for the name of your company right here. So for example, your name would be Innovative Company, and then you can click here on search now. And you must not find anyone here that has the same name as you, because it is not allowed. So this is the way on how you can verify that you don't have a name like anyone else's right here. You don't have the same name or whatsoever. Once you've made sure of that, now we can proceed. So go back here into sunbiz.org. And then from here, we're going to click here on Start a Business and click here on Limited Liability Company or LLC. And from here, you can now file when you click on this one. But before we proceed, you need to see this first. At the bottom, you can see the company fees that you would need to pay. So for articles of organization, there is $100, and registered agent designation, which is $25. And you have the optional here, which is the certified copy and the certificate of status. So for certified copy, it is $30 and $5 for certificate of status. All right, so now let's go back up, and then from here we're gonna click on File or Correct Florida LLC Articles of Organization. So once you click on that, you will be prompted here, and you want to make sure that you want to check this box. I have read and accept the terms of this disclaimer and acknowledge receipt of the filing information provided, and click here on Start New Filing. All right, so now here we are. I'm gonna guide you through all of this right here on how you can fill this up. All right, so now the first one is the effective date right here. So if an effective date is required for this filing, then you may enter it right here. And remember, you can click here so that you would be able to understand what an effective date is. So effective date is basically the current date or a future date depending on your needs. Remember, your first annual report is due January 1st of the following the formation year. And then the next thing is you have these options right here. So you can go for the certificate of status and the certified copy right here if you would like that. And remember, these are their prices. And then the next thing is you want to input your LLC name right here and make sure that you have a name that ends with Limited Liability Company, LLC, or this LLC right here. And then the next thing is the principal place of business. You want to add the address right here and your mailing address here. So you need to enter your LLC's mailing address. This can be the same as your principal address. Check the box if they are the same right here. So you want to check this if they are the same as your principal one. And then the next thing is the registered agent information. So in this one right here, type your name in the registered agent signature box. If a business is serving as your registered agent, an individual at that business should type their name here. Next is the organizational mission. So on this one right here, you can optionally type your LLC's organizational mission right here. If you would like that, then you can just type it out right here. The next thing is the correspondence details. So you can enter your name and personal email address under the correspondence section. This is where the official communications will be sent. The next thing is the electronic signature. So this is basically the authorized representative signature. You can type your name here in the electronic signature field under the authorized representative section. If someone else is authorized to sign and submit for you, they should type their name here. And then the next thing is the manager information, which is right here. So manager information, you can enter the name and addresses of each manager or authorized person. Repeat as needed for multiple managers or authorized person right here, as you can see here and here, and so many more. So yeah, that is basically it for this form right here. Once you have officially filled all of this up, all the necessary details, then now you may review and make sure that nothing is wrong right here. So if everything looks good, you may now click here on continue. After you click on the continue button, you will see a document tracking number and the fee, and you would need to record this information if necessary. And then after that, you would need to enter your credit card and billing details for your payment. And after that, you would be able to review your payment, and then you would be all done. So after completing the payment, you'll receive an email confirmation with the status of your application. Save or print your confirmation for your records. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully filed your LLC in Florida using Sunbiz. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.